Hi everybody, welcome back to another video where safety is our number 2 priority because priority number 1 is f***ing your You're going to need these safety goggles because priority number 2 is safety. I'm here with my buddy Steel because we're going to do 7 life hacks. No, going to be better. 8 life hacks today. He's gonna need his goggles today, right Steel? Show him off. Show off the goggles. Oh, okay. Take them off. Look. Come on, you rock them. Number 2 priority. I know what your first priority is, fucking bitch. Okay. Let's get started. Let's get started. Okay, Still, look at this. We got this awesome kiddie pool here. You got to make sure that it's made in the USA, because if it's made in China, they probably fucking cook your dog in this shit or some shit like that. So what we're going to do here, Steel, is we're going to put some ice in there and hopefully you'll like it. This video is not gonna make enough money for me to go to the store and get some real ice, so this ice is free. Here we go. Alright, here we go. We got some free ice. We're going to put it in the kiddie pool. Look at that, amazing. Nothing like a little free ice, okay? He can't even contain himself. Look at that. Look, it's icy. Come on, get in the pool. Go, boy! Look at that, he loves it. Oh my god, he loves it. Do you love it? You see, we live in Florida, so for him to cool off, all you do is put some ice in the kiddie pool, and he absolutely can contain himself. Oh, he is having so much fun. Look at him. He doesn't even know what to do with himself. Look at that, amazing. He loves it. Look at him. He loves it. How much do you love it, Steel? How much do you love this kiddie pool? So much, right? So much. Loves the ice. Can't live without the ice. It's so nice and cool in here. Look at that, he's just outside of the ice getting a nice little breeze from the ice. He loves it. Amazing. Laugh. How about you want to get in? Do you want to get in again? Get in. Get in the kiddie pool. Oh, you're cooling off right there. That's fine. Stay outside the kiddie pool. It's probably... See, this is a life hack right here. Outside the pool, he gets the nice breeze going into his face there. He is so happy. Look at this. This is the happiest dog you've ever seen. Am I right? I mean, he just can't, he's so excited about the ice, he just can't even control his excitement. He'd rather eat the ice than sit in it. It's amazing. Now if your dog eats too fast, he can choke and die. So what you do is you put something in his food bowl, usually a tennis ball. But right now I have a big toy here that could work. So when you put the food, this is a little meat. He usually eats this way too fast. So we're going to put an end to that. Look at that. You see that? Amazing. The best thing you can do is actually hand feed your dog instead. That way they don't eat too fast. You can also do it like this, so they only take a little bit at a time. Watch this. So you gradually just put a little bit in front, a little bit more. There we go, look at that, voila! This life hack is amazing. This is my favorite life hack. So what we're going to do is first tell your dog not to shed. Okay, still you'll need to stop shedding. All this hair on your body, stop letting it come off of your body, okay? I'm gonna need you to do that for me, alright? See all this? No, don't let that come off of your body, okay? Thank you very much. So after you've done that, you put down one of these gloves here. And this is just a regular kitchen glove. Just any latex glove should do the trick here. There we go. And now we're going to stick this finger up my dog's ass. Just kidding there. So if you have one of these couches that collects all of the hair, then what you want to do is just you want to wrap it like this. Oh, look at that, amazing. Do you see this? It collects all the hair here. You didn't see it before, but we have a whole pile of hair here now just from doing this. So what we're going to do now is take this hair. So once you've done that, you've got all the hair in your hand here, and then you're going to get some super glue. So we got some super glue here, and all we're going to do here is just put some glue on the hair. So you need just a couple of dabs here. So what you need there, okay? Then we're gonna go over to our dog. And you're just going to place the hair back on your dog here, where it belongs, you know? So there we go. I got you, just kidding, I never do that to my puppy, he's amazing. But we do have to tell him no shedding anymore, okay? That's it, no more shedding in this house. There we go, that's it. Once you tell him that, science works itself out. And we have no more shedding on the couch, okay? So now what we're going to do is make a doggy bed out of a cardboard box and some old clothing. And we throw some old clothing in there on the side to make it nice and comfortable for the dog here. Put some boxers on there. There we go. And then let's get our dog. That's all we need left, right? Still, check this out. Oh, look at that. He likes it. He likes it. There you go, good boy. He likes it. Now keep in mind that this box is a little small for this particular dog. So we're just going to make a little modification here for this box because he's too big. There we go. Look at that. Oh my goodness. I think he loves it. Do you love it, Steve? How much do you love the new doggy bed? DIY doggy box bed. Amazing, right? Oh, I think he loves it. Yes, he does. You love it. Yes. Okay, now I am going to take him to his real bed. Up, up. There we go. So this is his real bed. So if you don't want to do that box idea, you can just get him a real bed like this. So this is his room. He's got his little painting over there. There we go. Look at that. Alright, buddy. Good night. So now what you want to do is take a sock here, because dog loves to swallow sock. In this, it looks extra good sock because it has fries and burger on it. So what you're going to do is take your dog's favorite treat and stick it inside of the sock. And then dogs love to swallow socks. So what you're going to do is after they swallow the sock, you're going to take them to the animal hospital because their intestines can get backed up, you know? So this is probably the dumbest thing you can ever do, but I'm going to show it to you anyways because I'm a crazy Russian. So then after you take them to the hospital and they get surgery and they poop out the sock, after that you're going to take the treat out of the sock and then give it to them for being a good boy and costing me $5,000. Good boy. Alright. So another thing you can do is put this inside of his favorite toy. That way it takes him a little longer to take it out and eat it. That way when he takes it out and eats the sock, it takes a little longer for the trip to the animal hospital. Thank you. So for this hack, if you're an idiot and love to lose your shit, what you can do for that is have your dog hold it for you. So we're going to put my keys, since I lose this shit all the time, we're going to put my keys on his leash here. I usually don't lose my dog. That way I won't lose my keys. There we go, just like that. Now we put it on dog. I put this on your dog. Alright, still look at that. You're my key holder. Look at that. Amazing. Amazing. So if he ever runs away, well, I lose the dog and I lose my keys also. So let's go for a walk just so we can show you. So here we are on our walk and we've got the keys here. Amazing. Amazing. Don't lose dog. Don't lose keys. Good boy. Take nice pee-pee on my keys. Get the drop these, not my keys. Still you got my keys. Still where you going with my keys? You know the best part about this life hack is the annoying jiggling sound. Amazing. But yeah guys, that's gonna wrap it up. Thank you guys for watching. All of here, Crazy Russian Hacker is linked below if you want to check out his channel and see the video that I made fun of. He also has a husky. This is my buddy Steele here. And if you like this video, make sure you like it, smash that like button. It's like over here or something. Make sure you subscribe as well, of course. Make sure you guys get his app on the App Store. It's called Husky Hero.